So there are three types of micro videos. You need to get known, get leads, and get sales. So there are three. So if I reach out to popular Instagrammers or YouTubers for them to feature me, it's an uphill task. And I say thank you to people like yourselves who give us an opportunity to share our message on channels like yours. But it's an uphill task because, gentlemen like yourselves are hit up by people all the time. So how do I stand out? It has to be a personalized approach. I have a team of people who will reach out to them, send the email on my behalf, but I create every single video. See, because I believe, I know, I don't believe is something that could be personal to me. I know that the world plays the 90% game, which is not putting the effort. I am 45. I don't have time. I don't want failures. I can have a failure if it's designed by the universe to teach me something. I get it. But I don't want a failure because I was lazy. I want to be able to outwork the 25-year-old guy who's watching this show right now and saying, you know what? Bring it on, brother. Bring it on. That extra effort, 14 hours of, I can't put in 18 hours like I used to when I was 25, but I'll put in focused heart work. I have another hoodie called the Heart Worker. I'll put in heart work and I'll send you a heartfelt
heart work. Okay, I like that.
So I'll put in the heart work and it'll reach and it'll connect and you'll find me on multiple YouTube shows. And I say this openly and say, you know what? If you want to copy this, go ahead and copy it. It is so simple, but put in the work. So it has to be 100% personalized.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.